Thank you everyone for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy and budget-friendly gingerbread man. I purchased some gingerbread men from a garage sale about a month ago, and I really loved how they look because I'm really going with the gingerbread, North Pole, peppermint theme, and I really like that this year. So pretty much I'm going to show you how to make your own using Dollar Tree products. And thank you so much for all my new subscribers and all my returning subscribers. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload my newest video. So let's just get right into it. All right, everyone. So for today's DIY, it's a Dollar Tree DIY. You would need your puff paint right here. This is from Dollar Tree. I call it puff paint, but it's really called 3D fabric paint. You will also need some gumdrops or any type of decorative like embellishments of your choice if you want to use those. I'm also using the Crafter Square Dollar Tree adhesive cork sheet. That's what I'm making my gingerbread man out of. And this right here is the gingerbread man that is inspired me to make my own DIY, Dollar Tree DIY. This is the one that I purchased from a garage sale, and I'm going to show you how to create one that's similar to this with a different design using Dollar Tree products. So I'm using this gingerbread as my format that I'm going to use for making my gingerbread man. And another thing, the adhesive cork sheets has a plastic adhesive thing on the back that you can peel off. I'm going to keep my plastic on because I'm going to be sticking them somewhere that I want to be able to remove it. So I'm going to take my pencil here. I think I'm going to trace it on the back because I don't want the lines to show. Okay, then I'm going to just trace it so you all can see it. Need a pen instead. Let me get a pen because the pencil's not showing up. All right, I pray that everyone is doing well on today. I'm having a great and fabulous day so far. So pretty much you're gonna just trace. I'm just doing a rough draft tracing so you can see. All right. I'm going in and filling in the parts that didn't work out all the way right. So I've already traced it. This is what it looks like. If you can see that. Let me see. It's a light tracing, just like that. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut that out. Hold on, it's kind of hard for you all to see me. Okay, I had to bring the camera closer because it was kind of hard for you all to see what I was doing from that distance. You probably can see it a little bit how I traced out the gingerbread man. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just cut around the area that I'm going to use. You can use an X-Acto knife or whatever cutting device of your choice. But I'm using just a regular scissors. It works the same to me. I'm just really into the gingerbread theme this year. Last year I went with more of like, excuse me, more of like a cabin thing. And this year I want it to be like more whimsical and more like the North Pole, Santa Claus, peppermint, gingerbread houses, and gingerbread man. Yeah. Your lines don't have to be perfect. My lines are not extremely perfect, but I just know what form and shape that I wanted to do for the gingerbread man. So let's see. All right. Now we're going to do his arms. All right, I'm going to pause you all for a minute. As you can see, I'm almost completely done. I'm going to pause you all for a minute, and when I come back, I'll have already cut out gingerbread man. So hold for just a few minutes. Be back. All right, I've already cut out my form for my gingerbread man. It looks like he's waving. That's the whole thing I was going for. So now you're going to just take your puff paint. Is this one I've used? Or fabric paint, whatever you want to call it. And you will just design however you want to design yours. I'm going to start off with my hair. Turn it so you can see. Well, not hair. I'm going to start off with my eyes. There's some glue over mine. Let me see. Let me find another. I'm glad I got more than one, so I can see which one actually is up for working right now, because this one acts like it don't want to come out. All right, so I'm gonna do my eyes. So all right, we're gonna do the nose. Do if I can get this to work. It's not working. Let me try another one. Let's see. Okay. You can pretty much decorate your face however you want to. This is just how I'm doing mine. This is part of the face right there. Now I'm gonna go in and do some little squiggly lines by the legs. Did anyone used to make gingerbread men as a child? Drop down in the comments below and let me know if you had like a family tradition where y'all made like gingerbread men, or y'all used to make little gingerbread crabs or whatever. I know we baked cookies on Christmas Eve. That's something that we did a lot for my kids. And we have made gingerbread cookies from scratch before in the past. And they came out pretty good. They came out pretty good. I'm not, gingerbread cookies are not like my super favorite, but what I love about gingerbread cookies the most is just decorating it. That's one of my favorite things, the decoration part. Okay, I got my outline there. Okay, now I'm going to do some hair. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to. Let me tap this, y'all. I think I'm running low because I got one that's not doing right. Woo. Got a screen. There we go. I got it out. And try to do opposite of what I did. Do your hair first before you do anything else. I did my face and stuff first, and I should have did the hair first. All right, that's my hair. Got a little bit of my hair there. Now I'm going to go in and do probably gonna do a little bit of buttons and swirls, like some true complete outlining. I'm gonna do some buttons. All right, I got my little buttons there. Now, what I'm gonna do here is place some of my gumdrops on the buttons. That's something I'm gonna do now. Do a yellow one right here. Ooh, there you go. And we're gonna do I think I'm gonna do a purple one too. I'm gonna add just a little bit more puff paint to it. All right, well, paint, fabric paint, whatever you may want to call it. All right, now I'm going to add some to the hair. And I'm gonna put like every other one. Like that. I'm gonna put a green one here. Let me see if I can put a little bit more paint right there, sort of. Yeah, I hear better. All right, I'm gonna come back in just a second, few minutes after I'm done with putting the gumdrops and actually outlining the gingerbread man itself. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, I'm finished with all my tracing. I added my gumdrops. Now I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'm gonna show you in the video how I actually style this gingerbread with my home decor. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video on how to make gingerbread men on a budget. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. And to all of you, I love you. Take care. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. All right, everybody. This is the finished product of my gingerbread houses. This current sign right here is from Target. And I also did 2 other DIYs with the peppermint. And I decided to take the gumdrops off. My baby girl said that the gumdrops look more festive to her, but to me it looks more natural and it goes better with the decor to me. So this is what the outcome is. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in my next video.